dx is 0. Second, y is equal to xn dy by dx nx n minus 1. Y is equal to axn, then dy by dx. A will remain as it is. It is nx n minus 1. If I have y is equal to sin x, then dy by dx cos x. If I have y equals to cos x, dy by dx minus sin x, y is equal to tan x, dy by dx equals to secant square x. These are the formulas which maximum used in physics. Need not to go in further higher details of the list of the formulas. One or two more formulas are there. Just one. I won't discuss much. Y is equal to ln x, log natural x. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Right? These are the formulas you need to memorize. Further, in differentiation, you need to know only the rules of differentiation. That's helpful because I have seen that students memorize lots of formulas of differentiation, but they know a little about the rules of differentiation, and that becomes a trouble later because you are supposed to sometimes only differentiate x square into sin x. Now you know the formula of x square, you know the formula of sin x differentiation, but here you will get stuck up. So you must know the rules. Suppose I have u f1x v f2x. U is one of the function of x and v is another function of x. It can be like that u is x square and v is sin x, or u is x square and v is x cube, whatever, but these two are different functions of x. Then rule 1, if you have y is equal to u plus minus v, either plus or minus, then dy by dx, du by dx plus minus dv by dx. Simple. I give an example. You have y is equal to x cube plus sin x, then dy upon dx. Say plus or minus, you differentiate x cube, it will come 3x square. Plus minus cos x will become, sin x will become cos x. So simple it is. In some, I give another example, there is x distance, 3t square plus 4t plus 8. Question is, find velocity or speed. X is distance, delta x upon delta will be defined as speed. Now differentiation of it will give speed, and the question is find speed at t is equal to 2 seconds. Definitely you need to differentiate only, because speed v is what? Dx upon dt. Now differentiate it. V is equal to dx upon dt. 3t square. Differentiation 3 as it is. I told you ax and a remain in its place. T raised per 2. 2t 2 minus 1 plus 4 as it is. Differentiation of t is 1, differentiation of 8 is 0. I have v is equal to 6t plus 4. Now place t is equal to 2, it becomes 12 plus 4 is 60 meter per second. This is first rule about addition or subtraction. Rule number 2 of multiplication, and rule 3 for division. Rule number 2, y is equal to u dot. Then simply what we do, differentiate, we keep u as constant, then differentiate u keeping v as constant. Example, y is equal to x cube sin x. Now this is our u, this is v. dy by dx, keeping this as it is, x cube, differentiating this sin x cos x plus. Second step, keeping this as it is, differentiating this. It is 3x square sin x. X cube cos x plus 3x square sin x. This will be the simple answer. And the similar thing you can encounter in physics also. I won't take much real example. Third rule, y is equal to u by v. This must be understood. I simply multiply and divide by v, u dot v by v square. Now here dy by dx, v du by dx. First, look carefully. Here I am differentiating v first, u first, sorry, keeping v as constant, minus u du by dx upon v square. I'll give an example of it. There are sometimes problems regarding this. I give an example of it. I have y is equal to, say, x square by x cube plus 4. These two are different functions. X square, another is x cube plus 4. Considering here u as x square and v x cube plus 4. Then dy by dx was v du by dx minus u du by dx upon v square. I can change in this way, it will look better. X cube plus 4 upon x square. Take denominator will be free of any constant. Well, now do one thing here. You calculate du by dx. Differentiate it, it will become 3x square. 4 differentiation of 4 becomes 0. dv by dx is equal to 2x. Now it is v as it is x square, du by dx 3x square minus u is x cube plus 4, d by dx is 2x upon v square means x4. Now numerator it is 3x4 minus, let's expand it, 2x4 minus 8x upon x4. It will be x4 upon x4 minus 2x4 upon x4 minus 8x upon x4. I have 3 minus 2 minus 8 upon x cube. This is the most having effort where we need to put job in differentiation. You will not get much higher differentiation than this. This is the way we deal with differentiation in physics. Now, if we talk about another term, actually what I do, there is another mathematical tool, that is integration. Mathematically, it is a reverse process of differentiation. But I prefer when you enter into motion in one dimension, then I will explain there. Because now explaining integration will become very much boring. You will just see you have the formulas of differentiation. I am saying that mathematically integration is a reverse, not opposite. Reverse process of it. Not opposite, I am saying. And its graphical meaning is also different, geometrical meaning is also different. When I deal with the problems, like you need to find distance, you are given a velocity time graph, then I will explain, it will look better. Now differentiation need to be known, and as I told the last part, okay, this was differentiation. Integration I prefer to deal when we have problems. Coordinate geometry, the last part. If I have this kind of equation, then it is a straight line. If I have this kind of equation, then I have parabola this way, this way, this way, or this way. That depends upon the values of y and x. Well, I'll be discussing when I'll be dealing with the problems. There are few things which need to be discussed only when we are discussing the problems.